Is this Vicky's husband?
Yeah.
Did he make this, Megan?
Yes.
Yeah, Yuri.
Yep.
You got the coffee maker. So you let it get a little warm before you put the top on.
Yeah, they say as soon as you start seeing bubbles.
Oh.
Somebody hungry after work.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat your crackers. I need more cheese crackers. They're right in front of Molly. And Joe's got some.
Okay. Cool. So
Now the pressure builds up here, and it'll start pushing it up.
Thank you, Joe. More shredded cheese.
Dan, can you reach that shredder?
Oh. Alright, the way this works, this is sealed. This is your heat. It pushes it up to a glass tube with a valve up there. Water comes up where the coffee is.
You may have to style, huh?
And then once all the water's up, you turn the heat off. And then as this cools, it creates a vacuum which pulls the coffee back down into there, and the grinds stay up at the top. There's a filter, and you got a cup of coffee.
It'll start going real fast. We found all kinds of recordings on.
It's just really perking now.
I might try a couple jalapenos just to say I did. Okay.
Wow. So it don't take long at all.
Like we should watch it for coffee.
Say about 30 seconds.
She's really excited.
It's not as scary as our house.
There it goes. That's so cool.
Wow.
There's your cup of coffee.
Wow. It has a stand. You take the top hopper off, sit it in the stand to pull.
That's the hardest thing to do is to take that top off.
Because
The suction.
Seal lubricate
it gets tighter as it cools. It like heats and expands, it kind of grips it a little harder, and then it cools and it gets real tight.
Do you drink coffee, Scott?
Yeah, I don't want it. Well, I might take a little B cup.
We got to test it after all this. You gotta know how it makes a good cup of coffee. My goodness. That is really a mouthful.
He's telling Beth all about it.
Huh.
That's really cool. I've never seen one of those.
Thank you.
Bit hazelnut. We'll try it.
That's going down. Is that the hazelnut?
Yeah.
Good.